Hi everyone, good morning. Ito, nagsinangag ako. This is heavy meal for today because I'm craving for this. Tingnan nyo yan, tuyo at saka sapsap. Tapos, sunny side up egg. And I have this salad. Ayan. Gusto ko kasi. And I have this organic na suka ko na nilagyan niya ng mga sili. Ayan, suka lang ginamit ko. Then, of course, I have this black coffee. Yan, black coffee. Then, I will just put my collagen. And sometimes, I do put honey on it. Ayan. So, yan. Heavy meal tayo today. After my mass, ayun. Yun ang naisip ko, no, after ko nagsimba. Ayan. Mag-heavy meal tayo today. So, blessed Sunday, everyone. At saka, keep on praying, no? We have to pray. Today is Sunday. It's a family day. Ayun, busy na ang mga estudyante. So, it's really hard for us to get their time. Nagpe-prepare na ang aking anak for school. So, blessed Sunday, everyone.